Can cats eat bacon? The short answer is no. Cats should not eat bacon. While bacon is not technically toxic to felines, it is extremely unhealthy for them. Bacon is packed with high levels of salt and saturated fat. A single strip of bacon contains far more sodium and fat than a cat needs in an entire day. If you are wondering if it is safe to feed bacon to a cat, consuming this rich meat can lead to severe stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea. In the long run, feeding your cat bacon regularly can cause serious health problems like obesity and pancreatitis, which is a painful and potentially life-threatening inflammation of the pancreas. Furthermore, cured meats like bacon often contain preservatives and spices that can harm your pet. If your cat accidentally ate a piece of bacon, monitor them closely for signs of illness. If you are unsure about what human foods are safe for your pet, always consult with a qualified veterinarian for guidance. So if you want to know if bacon is bad for cats, it definitely is, and you should stick to healthy cat treats instead. Plain cooked chicken or turkey is a much safer option if you want to give your feline friend a meat treat. Keep bacon off their menu.